guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be making some Mexican rice, delicious Mexican rice. And earlier I did make some pork chops and salsa verdes. I'll link it down below so you guys can go ahead and look at that video. But right now we'll get started with our rice. Here we have the rice. You will need 2 cups of rice. For every cup of rice, I believe is 2 cups of water. So here I have 4 because I will be making 2 cups of rice. For the sauce is gonna be tomato bouillon and then a tomato, half of an onion, and a garlic, and that's it. Meanwhile, our oil's heating up for our rice. I will be adding the tomato. I did cut my tomatoes in 4 pieces, and also my onion in 2. There goes my garlic and water. And for our tomato bouillon, I will cut, I'm sorry guys, I just measure it with a spoon, but it's the same thing. I will be putting 1.5 spoonful. So this is how the rice is supposed to look. I don't want to brown it too much just because this is how I usually make it. And so I'm going to go ahead and put our tomato sauce in. And now we are going to let it boil for a little with the top on. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and this is how the rice looks. As you can see, it's completely ready and it's delicious. It's ready to serve. I'm gonna try it out. Perfection. It's cooked right. It didn't take long, and if you want a delicious rice, try this one out. I hope to see you guys on my next recipe video.